actually do sight rhythm, the slurs should not affect anything unless they are ties. All right. Okay, so Winnie, can you sing the first line one more time very quickly? Because we are going to start playing this.
Ta, 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 ti, ti, ta, ta. Ta, 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 ti, ti, ta, ta. Ta, ta, ti, 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 ta, ta.
That is very good. Okay, you guys have 2 minutes to learn the first line with your violin. So now you're doing a sight reading. Okay, you're in the key of A major. You have 3 sharps, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp.
Nirvana, do we do the slur? Like,
Winnie, what do you do to overcome the stage fright?
I just trust the process.
Trust the process?
Yeah, we just trust the process.
Even though it's bad, like, we just get over it.
What does trust the process mean?
Like, it won't be that bad.
Trust your fingers.
Yeah.
They know what they're doing.
Since you already practiced, you will know what you're doing. So just trust it.
Just trust the process.
So, Selena, what's your technique to deal with the stage fright?
I usually just pretend like I'm practicing, like alone.
So you are able to isolate yourself?
Yeah, just isolate myself.
I pretend that if I don't play, then I will die.
That's quite dramatic. What's your technique?
I just try to pretend that these people aren't there, and I just try to isolate myself from them, and I usually try to look somewhere else so I don't see anyone with their reactions.
You have the page right in front of you. You do it, though you can't breathe, so you might actually die after it. But once you finish it, you might be like, oh, I did it terrible, and then just do better next time.